magme-make cream cheese filling cookies. So, samahan nyo kami to make the cookies. Sa paggawa ng cookies, meron tayong all-purpose flour, unsalted butter, 2 large eggs, vanilla extra, white sugar, brown sugar, carrots, raisins, pecan, baking soda, and cinnamon powder. So, tara, gawa na tayo.
In a medium bowl, ilagay natin ang ating all-purpose flour. Gently put the flour in a strainer. Then, shake it down a little. Pwede rin kayong gumamit ng spatula. Next is baking soda. Then, salt. Yung ginamit namin salt is refined salt. Then, mix natin lahat ng dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, syempre, kukumbine naman natin ang ating butter. Oh, syempre guys, sisimutin natin yan dahil napakamahal talaga ng ating butter ngayon. Then, sunod naman nating ilalagay ang ating sugar, white sugar. Syempre, simutin din natin yan. Dumikit pa sa plato kasi medyo basa. At syempre, hindi magpapatalo ang ating brown sugar. Yan. So, ayan, habang pinapanood mo yan, ihanda mo na yung hand mixer mo, isaksak mo na at i-on mo na dahil magmi-mix na tayo. So, ayan, nakapag-mix-mix na tayo. So, ayan, habang pinapanood mo yan, kunin mo na ang ating sinet aside na mga dried ingredients kanina. Dahil ihahalo na natin yan. Ngayon at nakuha mo na ang ating dried ingredients, ihalo mo na siya. Mix lang natin hanggang sa mag-combine lahat ng ingredients na yan. Yung flour, tsaka yung ginawa natin kanina. Siyempre, mawawala ba yung mga kulang na ingredients? Hindi. Ilagay mo na yung carrots. Pecans, pwede rin kayong gumamit ng kahit na anong klaseng mani. Raisins or pasas sa Tagalog. Using spatula, halu-haluin natin sila. Halo lang, halo-halo hanggang sa mag-combine. Pag totally combined na siya, i-scoop natin yan. Depende sa kung gaano nyo gusto kalaki. Tapos, i-freeze natin for at least 1 hour.
So now, let's proceed to our cream cheese filling. So we have powdered sugar, vanilla extra, cream cheese filling, and last is all-purpose flour. So let's start.
In a clean mixing bowl, ilagay natin ang ating cream cheese.
The stars come and go. It's the light within my reach, not as distant as it seemed. Dreams are moments, night is long.
Ang next naman ay ilagay natin ang ating powdered sugar.
I can take you far, far away.
Next nating ilagay ang ating all-purpose flour.
Should you feel a little scared, know that I'm still
At syempre, wag natin kakalimutan ng ating vanilla extract.
It might even feel a bit surreal. Just see the stars run past you as you drift apart in the air. Like the leaves riding on the
Using a fork, let's combine them together.
The day's gone too far for us to see. We move on and live it as it is. But once in a while, let the reminiscence brighten this.
I-mix lang natin hanggang sa maabot natin yung desired texture ng ating ginagawa. So guys, pag na-reach na natin yung desired texture is i-freeze natin siya for at least 1 hour. Then, place a frozen icing ball in a center of each dough and top the filling with another dough. Then, ipa-flat mo siya. So, 15 minutes to 18 minutes mo siyang i-bake or until the edge is light brown. Be careful na huwag masunog ang ating cookies. Then, after that is hayaan nyo lang na lumamig muna yung cookies completely para hindi masira yung texture niya. And then, ayun, pwede nyo na siyang kainin.
For the next recipe, gagawa tayo ng bar cookies or brookies. So, here are the recipes. So, the first one is the cocoa powder and all-purpose flour. Next is baking soda, then the salt, 2 large egg, then chocolate chips, so then vanilla and sugar, white sugar, butter, and brown sugar.
Clean bowl, ilagay natin ang ating flour. Next is yung unsweetened cocoa natin. Next yung salt tsaka baking soda. After that, haluin natin gamit yung whisk. Then, iset aside natin. Sa malinis na bowl, ilagay natin yung melted butter. Tapos yung brown sugar. Then yung white sugar. Ilagay na rin natin yung vanilla extract. Tapos 4 pieces na egg. Haluin natin gamit yung whisk hanggang sa makombine siya together. Pag well combined na siya, pwede natin ilagay yung dry ingredients na sinet aside natin kanina. Tapos haluin lang din ulit natin hanggang sa well combined na sila. Then pag totally combined na siya, pwede nyo nang i-add yung chips. Then pwede na natin siyang i-bake ng 25 to 30 minutes. Then add toppings.